Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook using the web version. This is something you'll probably do all the time in Outlook, whether you're sending documents, photos, PDFs, spreadsheets, presentations, or other important files through email. The process is very simple. So if that sounds helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web. Then, sign into your Outlook account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner and click the New Mail button. This will open a new Email Compose window. Now, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. After that, type your subject line so the recipient knows what the email is about. Next, look at the toolbar near the bottom of the email window. You'll see a small paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. Go ahead and click the paperclip icon. A small menu will appear with different attachment options. Depending on your Outlook version, you may see options like Browse this computer, Browse cloud locations. Now, let's first attach a file from your computer. Click Browse this computer. Your computer's File Explorer window will now open. From here, navigate to the folder where your file is saved. Once you find the file you want to attach, click it once to select it. Then click the Open button. Outlook will now begin uploading the file into your email. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a moment. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear below the subject line or inside the email window. That confirms the file has been attached successfully. If you want to attach multiple files, simply repeat the same process again. You can attach several files to the same email if needed. Now, if you accidentally attach the wrong file, don't worry. Simply click the small X icon next to the attachment to remove it from the email. Very quick and simple. Now, after adding all your attachments, you can type your email message if needed. Take a quick moment to review everything, including the recipient, subject line, and attached files. This helps avoid sending the wrong attachment by mistake. Once everything looks good, click the Send button. Your email with the attached file will now be sent successfully. And that's it. You now know how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook using the web version. This is a simple but essential Outlook feature that makes sharing files fast and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Outlook tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.